Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on PandaBuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pandabuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PandaBuy website. Now click on the sign up button at the top right corner, which will take you into the sign up page. Just choose your country from the select country option and then enter your email address. Then type in your preferred password for your account and then type it in once again for confirmation. If you have an invitation code, you can also enter this within the invitation code box. Then enter the verification code that you see at the right side of the verification section and then click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. Now click on sign up and you will be asked to check your inbox. Just log into the email address that you used while signing up and you will find an email from PandaBuy. Just click on the link within and now you will be told that your account has been activated. You can now click on the login button and proceed forward with your credentials to start using the PandaBuy account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on PandaBuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.